Welcome to our new video Everyday Chemistry MCQs. Which gas is commonly used in cigarette lighters? Methane, butane, propane, ethane. The correct answer is option B, butane. Which gas is responsible for the fizz in soft drinks? Oxygen, carbon dioxide, hydrogen, nitrogen. The correct answer is option B, carbon dioxide. Which chemical is used in the production of glass? Calcium carbonate, silicon dioxide, sodium chloride, sulfuric acid. The correct answer is option B, silicon dioxide. Which chemical is used as a preservative in food products like meat and cheese? Sodium benzoate, sodium nitrate, potassium sorbate, citric acid. The correct answer is option B, sodium nitrate. Which substance is commonly used to purify water in swimming pools? Chlorine, bromine, iodine, fluorine. The correct answer is option A, chlorine. Which substance is used in the manufacture of soap? Sodium chloride, potassium hydroxide, sodium hydroxide, magnesium sulfate. The correct answer is option C, sodium hydroxide. Which chemical is used in the extraction of gold from its ore? Sodium cyanide, potassium hydroxide, hydrochloric acid, sulfuric acid. The correct answer is option A, sodium cyanide. Which chemical is commonly used to make photographic films? Silver bromide, sodium chloride, potassium nitrate, magnesium oxide. The correct answer is option A, silver bromide. Which metal is used in making coins and jewelry? Platinum, iron, copper, zinc. The correct answer is option A, platinum. Which gas is used to fill balloons to make them float? Helium, hydrogen, nitrogen, oxygen. The correct answer is option A, helium. Which acid is present in lemon juice? Hydrochloric acid, sulfuric acid, citric acid, acetic acid. The correct answer is option C, citric acid. Which element is known as the king of chemicals? Sulfur, sodium, hydrogen, carbon. The correct answer is option A, sulfur. Which metal is commonly used in batteries? Lithium, iron, magnesium, silver. The correct answer is option A, lithium. Which compound is commonly used to raise the pH in swimming pools? Sodium bicarbonate, sodium hydroxide, sodium carbonate, calcium chloride. The correct answer is option C, sodium carbonate. What is the main chemical in pencil lead? Graphite, carbon, lead oxide, charcoal. The correct answer is option A, graphite. Which element is commonly used in making filaments for light bulbs? Copper, tungsten, aluminium, silver. The correct answer is option B, tungsten. Which chemical is the active ingredient in hand sanitizer? ethanol, acetone, benzene, methanol. The correct answer is option A, ethanol. Which compound is used to protect skin from UV rays in sunscreens? Zinc oxide, magnesium sulfate, calcium carbonate, sodium bicarbonate. The correct answer is option A, zinc oxide. What is the chemical name of washing soda? Sodium carbonate, sodium bicarbonate, potassium carbonate, calcium carbonate. The correct answer is option A, sodium carbonate. Which natural product contains citric acid often used for cleaning? Lemon juice, baking soda, salt, olive oil. The correct answer is option A, lemon juice. Which chemical is primarily responsible for the sour taste in vinegar? Acetic acid, citric acid, lactic acid, malic acid. The correct answer is option A, acetic acid. What is the active ingredient in acne treatments? Salicylic acid, sodium hydroxide, citric acid, magnesium sulfate. The correct answer is option A, salicylic acid. Which chemical is responsible for acid rain? Sulfur dioxide, carbon monoxide, methane, nitrogen gas. The correct answer is option A, sulfur dioxide. Which compound is used in Colfax to absorb heat? Ammonium nitrate, sodium chloride, magnesium sulfate, calcium carbonate. The correct answer is option A, ammonium nitrate. Which compound is used in medicines to treat heartburn? Magnesium hydroxide, sodium chloride, ammonium nitrate, calcium sulfate. The correct answer is option A, magnesium hydroxide. What is the main ingredient in common table salt? Sodium chloride, potassium iodide, calcium carbonate, magnesium sulfate. The correct answer is option A, sodium chloride. What is the main ingredient in antacids? Calcium carbonate, sodium bicarbonate, magnesium hydroxide, all of the above. The correct answer is option D, all of the above. Which chemical causes the depletion of the ozone layer? Chlorofluorocarbon, CFCs, carbon monoxide, methane, nitrogen oxide. The correct answer is option A, chlorofluorocarbon, CFCs. Which gas is known as laughing gas? Nitrogen, nitric oxide, nitrous oxide, oxygen. The correct answer is option C, nitrous oxide. Subscribe to the channel for the latest informative MCQs.